Alright guys, this is the video that you've been asking for, or the information that you've been asking for. I have been under the weather and I just trying to get back into the swing of things. I want to make this quick video, let you guys try to hack and mod your router table to best suit your router type. In this case, we're going to use this 1-inch, 1/4-inch drive socket extension. We're going to use a 3/16 socket on that 1/4-inch drive, as well as a simple 1/4-inch ratchet. And what I'm realizing now as I'm looking at this is a Husky ratchet. It really doesn't matter which one you use, brand, whatever, but I don't think I have ever bought any Husky stuff. So I'm pretty sure this video has now been sponsored by my dad. So thanks, Dad. Alright, so this is the hardware you'll need. It's very simple, and I'll show you how to put it together. Alright, let's go out to the garage. So we went ahead and just brought the router and the adapter plate that were bolted together, pulled it out of the table, brought it in here to the house, so that way we can look at it and take a look. So one thing you want to see is on the router plate, make sure you get the lighting right and focus, there are letters that are stamped on the bottom of the adapter plate. This one here is associated with this Ryobi router, and there's an RY. I'll get a better picture of it in a minute, but that's where the hole that we drilled. So if you haven't drilled the hole yet, you'll just see there's like a little pilot hole that's there. But we'll go ahead and pull this router adapter plate off so we can take a look at what we've done. So take the bolts out here, set them aside, pick the plate up. What you'll notice here is the Ryobi. Let's see if we'll get it to focus here. Focus, please. Thank you. So for the RY, we've gone ahead and drilled a hole. That's what I've done here, right next to the one of the main bolt connection points. But the RY is for the Ryobi. Let's see, there's a ML, but that's Milwaukee. RD, probably for rigid. Porter cable. Looks like there's two different ones. Interesting. There's two PC ones. Again, refer back to the owner's manual and which one of these they reference. It's kind of covered in one of the first videos I did. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this back on, and we'll go through the rest of the steps of making our own adjustment tool. A custom one, rather, instead of having to buy one. Just put these back on. Now we have our 3/16 socket, which plays nicely with the hex that's on the adjustment screw there. So we'll just pop that on there like that. I'm just going to leave mine there. I might JB weld, or I don't know, put some other kind of adhesive. I could Gorilla Glue it or something on there. Don't really need to, really, because it seems to stay on there pretty well. If you pick straight up, it seems to hit this part of the housing. So it doesn't actually come off, which works pretty well. It comes off to the side. You can kind of rotate it to get it off, but it seems to work perfect. So then you simply take your ratchet with the extension on it. It could be longer, but this 1-inch extension seems to work perfect. And then you just simply drop that down in there. That hits that. Allows you to adjust the height of it. So that seems to work very well. Pretty pleased with how simplistically we were able to solve this problem. So that's another aspect there. Whenever you pull the adjustment tool out, it pops off of the end of the extension and just kind of sits right there. I've run this for several projects and so far, and that hasn't vibrated off or caused any problems. I don't think it would get in the way or be a concern of getting wound up in something while it was running. If it did work its way off or fall off, it probably would come straight down and away from the tool. I don't expect it to be an issue, but more peace of mind, you'll be able to just take it off, and like with my other tools, I just take it and stick it right on the magnetic strip that I added on the side of my table. So that's a real quick way that I was able to take a simple 1/4-inch drive, 1-inch extension with a 3/16 socket to be able to make your own custom little hack and mod Sparky's Hakshak adjustment tool for this Ryobi router and table. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. I really appreciate you guys all taking a look at the videos, giving me feedback, and asking questions. It helps the whole community out when you do that. So keep it up. Appreciate it so much. Thanks again for watching. If you guys liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you like what we're doing here and want to see more of it, go ahead and subscribe. It lets me know that you're interested in what we're doing, and I'll keep trying to pull stuff together. I apologize for the delinquency. I've been under the weather a little bit, struggling with it right now as well, but I figured it was time to go ahead and just make another video quick for you guys. I want to wish you good luck on your projects and stay safe. Until next time.